guys, my name is Rihanna and welcome back to my channel. This hair is from the Sdamey store on Amazon. It comes in this packaging. When you open it, it also comes with this headband, some makeup brushes, a card, and the hair. So this is their 18-inch straight 13 by 14 lace front wig. It's 150% density and it's about $130. Looks like this. I feel soft. I don't know, it looks a little thin and uneven, but we'll see what happens when I put it on. Smells like chemicals, but I can't smell it from over here, just when I put my nose up to the hair. This is what the lace around it looks like. So it does have some baby hairs, and then when you open it up, there's no clips right here, but it is some clips on the side, a clip in the back, and has some adjustable straps and some more lace in the back. Oh wait, and there is another clip right here. So lots of clips. Before I put the hair on, I want to flat iron it. So I just flat ironed the hair, and some of it is definitely uneven. I didn't make the part yet because I didn't know what I wanted to do, but let's put it on. Okay, I guess it fits all right. I am going to cut the lace now though. Okay, so I've cut the lace and it's looking like this. I don't think I like how far the space is between the baby hair and the rest of the hair. So I can cut that off and create my own baby hairs, or I can try to see what these are going to look like. I don't know, but there is a lot of flyaways and little pieces in this hair. You see that? It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna have to find a way to get all those to stay down. I think I want to do a middle part. So let's figure this out. Okay, so guys, I was trying to get the part to stick down with no flyaways, and I even put this Fit Me Maybelline Mocha Mocha foundation on the part, and I used this Got To Be Glued Ultra Glued to keep the hair down. Now I probably should invest in a hot comb or something, or some other thing that's supposed to be used to keep the hair down, but I haven't yet. So this is what it's looking like, and I don't like how short the hair is up front. I mean, I guess they tried to create like a layered effect, but it's just not. It's not doing what it's supposed to. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. So I just went in and kind of bumped these to make it not look as bad, but it's not that good. So now I'm just going to use this to put on the edges of the wig so that it stays down, and then do the edges and see what it looks like. To do my edges, I'm going to use this Style Factor Edge Booster. So this is what it's looking like. The hair feels fine. The hair itself, like the actual hair once you get away from the top, doesn't have that many flyaways or short pieces. It's actually not that bad, except for this. Like, I don't like that. This looks like I have a closure on that's too short for the hair. So it looks okay for what it is, and I did okay up here. I didn't do the best with the edges, but it'll do. It actually wouldn't be that bad if the hair was more even down here, and if the part wasn't so hard to do, and I didn't struggle so much trying to do the edges. I don't know what was going on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what other type of videos you want to see from me, including wigs, locks, braids, anything. Just let me know. And thanks for watching.